Here at Keystone North, many dedicated, appreciated, and hardworking employees strive to make products that we use in everyday life. During our visit, we gained a lot of respect for the welding and fabrication process and the people who work in this field.
In this video, we'll be showcasing what the employees at Keystone do each and every day.
Rick Hunling, welder fabricator.
My name is Sonia Matos. I'm an assistant here.
Richard Strange, welding shop supervisor.
Actually, what got me into welding was when I was a kid, I saw this guy. I'm like a go energy, like adrenaline stuff, you know. I saw this guy welding and there was like sparks falling all over him. I was like, that's cool, I want to try that, you know. I don't know why, I was just fascinated with that.
I get here about 7. We usually get together and figure out what we're going to do for the day. And then we commence work.
Manufacturing is really cool because, and I'm sure you've heard this over the course of today, there's not one day that's kind of the same.
Then I got to looking at what he had. He had all the toys I wanted. He had the Harleys, he had the hot rods, and I said, how'd he get that? Welding.
You show up and you know what you need to do, but there will be lots of little surprises throughout your day. Really, it kind of just happens, kind of forces you to think outside the box and how you're going to get it done. So we try to plan it in the morning, roughly, but just knowing that kind of anything could happen.
So in my responsibility here at Keystone, I deal with the customer myself. I go out, I measure up, I design along with them and their approvals.
We do a lot of work for the gas companies. Job chose me. I enjoy doing it. I've been doing it since 1977, so I guess I've made a career out of it. TIG welding. I like doing that. That's one of my specialties. It's one of the welding processes that we use to do aluminum and stainless and some steel.
In this video, we hope you have learned about how Keystone North operates and goes about their business every day.
We want to thank Keystone North and their employees for helping us to make this video possible, and special thanks to Angel Sember for guiding us through this experience.